Hi. After learning what is an arithmetic sequence and how do we find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, let us see how do we determine the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. So if we have an arithmetic sequence whose first term is a1, the nth term or the last term of the series is say L, okay, and the common difference is D. The nth term can either be L or an, anything. Okay, so the arithmetic sequence will be of the form a1 plus d, a1 plus 2d, plus and so on. So these are the first, second, third, fourth terms and so on. The last term is represented by an. The second last term will be an minus d, correct? The third last term will be an minus 2d and so on. So this is how our arithmetic sequence look like. And the common difference is d, first term is a1 and the last or the nth term is an. Okay, in some books we see the last term written as L or maybe as an. Fine. Now we have to find the sum of these n terms. Okay, so S of n is equal to a1 plus the second term which is a1 plus d plus the third term which is a1 plus 2d plus and so on, all the terms, then the second last term and the last term. If we add these terms of the arithmetic sequence in reverse order, then also the sum remains the same, correct? So Sn an plus an minus d plus an minus 2d plus and so on plus a1 plus 2d, a1 plus d and a1. The sum of these n terms which are taken in the reverse order will also be Sn, and we represent this first equation as equation 1 and the second equation as equation 2. Okay, and we try to add 1 and 2. When we add 1 and 2 on the left hand side, Sn plus Sn adds up to 2Sn. The first term of both the series are added, so we will get a1 plus an. Then we will add these two, so we will get a1 plus d plus an minus d plus and so on. We will add these two terms, so we will get an minus d plus a1 plus d. We will add these two terms to get an plus a1. Let me write here again. So I got 2Sn as a1 plus an plus a1 plus d plus an minus d plus a1 plus 2d plus an minus 2d plus and so on, plus we add the second last terms of both the series, so a1 plus an minus d plus a1 plus d plus an plus a1. Let us simplify each of the brackets. So we get 2 times Sn is equal to a1 plus an plus, we see that this d and negative d goes off, so we are again left with a1 plus an. In the third bracket, positive 2d and the negative 2d cancels off, again left with an a1 plus an plus and so on. Here also we see that minus d and plus d goes off, and we are again left with an a1 plus an, and our last bracket is a1 plus an. Okay, and the series has n terms, so there are n brackets here and each bracket is a1 plus an. So we can write 2 times Sn as n times bracket a1 plus an Okay, so S of n can be written as n by 2 times a1 plus an, where a1 is your first term, an is the nth or the last term of the series, and n gives you the number of terms. If we know all these three things, then the sum of n terms can be figured out by Sn is equal to n by 2 times a1 plus an. Okay, we have got Sn as n by 2 times a1 plus an. Now what is our an? An is a1 plus n minus 1 times t. Correct? Let us substitute the value of an in Sn. So we get Sn is equal to n by 2 times a1 plus an is a1 plus n minus 1 into t, which gives us n by 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 into t. This is one more formula in terms of the first term, number of terms, and the common difference for the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. So S of n is either n by 2 times first term plus last term, or it is n by 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 into t. Depending on our question, in our question, if the number of terms are given, the first term and the common difference are known, we will be using this formula. However, if we know the number of terms and the first and the last term are given, then we will be using this formula. So I hope how to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence is clear to everyone. In our next video, we will do some examples based on sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. If you have any doubts in this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.